Good morning. Oh my goodness, I look pale. Maybe it's just a camera. Hello, good morning. It is a sunny day. Well, I mean, there's like a little bit of clouds in the sky, but it is technically a sunny day here in San Francisco. Hello, my name is Brenda, and I live here, like I said, in sunny San Francisco. It is going to be 66 degrees today. Ain't that amazing? For San Francisco, that is amazing. It's 66, some forecasts say 72. You know, it's gonna be hot is the point. I am wearing this bodysuit from Old Navy. I'm not at all a style influencer with this, with this like little orangey floral skirt that I got at at Target. I got it at Target last year or at the beginning of the year. It might still be on there. I'll try and link it below. I do like it, and I think it's cute. I do like the orange and stuff. However, it is too big. It runs big. I initially bought a size bigger than I am before I discovered, girl, your bottom is not that size. It's just your top, for obvious reasons. And then I sized down, and I think I could have gone a size smaller because it is kind of loose. And I didn't realize that until today, because it is going to be warm. So today it's going to be like a mini IKEA blog. I'm going to try and show our little adventures. In San Francisco, we don't have, okay, we have an IKEA now. Downtown, I've been there twice, and it's fun and it's dandy. However, it is small. It's a small city IKEA, and you know, there's no warehouse, so you can't really buy furniture, like big pieces. You got to send it, you know, to your house. You got to order it online. There's also an IKEA in Emeryville, and it's great if you have a car. The thing is, my friend Ale, who I featured in other videos, she and I have been friends since like college. We are a product of the college roommate system, and she also lives in the city, and she has a car. However, the item that she wants is not available at the Emeryville location, which is the hard part about IKEAs, is that you can't find it all in one location. So today we are supposed to go on an adventure down to Palo Alto, which is South Bay. So we're gonna go down there because that's the only place that has the item that she's looking for, and I'm just along for the trip because I love IKEA, and that used to be her and I's favorite place to go for dinner because we would go and we would buy like not exactly the Swedish meatballs, but like some sort of dinner from there. And then at the Emeryville IKEA, when you sit in the cafeteria, you get a view of the bay. Not the greatest view, but you get a view of the bay. So we would always say like our fancy little dinner. And then we would buy, she would buy plants. Today we're gonna go, I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything. I look so white on here. I don't know what is going on. Today, I decided I don't know how to do the no makeup look. I am so horrible at like using less makeup. So for me, what I did today is I put the Super Goop Glow SPF thing, and then I put concealer, a minimal amount, and just under my eyes, and then like I did drag it down a little bit, but that's it. And then I put my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Honey. I did put on Chanel bronzer. Then I put the powder on top of everything, and then I put some highlighter. I've been using the e.l.f. baked highlighter that I bought years ago. I don't use it often because I thought it was cakey, but I think once I got past like that initial layer, it's been fine. And then I put blush, I put on mascara, and I didn't do my eyebrows because I recently finally waxed them, and I feel like they were shaded in very good. Oh, and I put Dior's lip stain, and I wiped it off, and I put the lip oil on top. And so that's all I am wearing. And for whatever reason, I look very, I feel like I'm looking at the viewfinder and it looks like I am very, very white, and I am not wearing any foundation. And the powder actually on the container, it's darker than like my skin. It's like my skin color. So I'm like, I don't know what's going on, but we're just gonna go with it. If this looks good on once I'm editing, and if this looks good to like people in person, I'm gonna continue doing this because it was less products, and also I was just trying to go with something lighter because it is gonna be warm outside. So I didn't want something too heavy, too cakey. And I'm really challenging myself to like reduce the amount of layers of makeup that I wear. I am waiting for my friend to tell me like if she wants me to go meet her at her apartment, or like what the dealio is. Wearing this outfit, and I'm not gonna show all of it off. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear this like jean thing that I have over it. Like I said, because it does fit me like a little loose. There's an elastic in the back and it bulges, like it kind of like, because it's loose. If you want to feel skinny, like, oh, this, I've been working out and this has been working for me, this is the skirt. But yeah, that is gonna be pretty much it for today. I'm just gonna show you some footage of us going to IKEA. Hopefully it's fun.
It's not heavy.
Oh, boo.
There we go.
Wow, that is one big box.
I don't know if it's gonna fit the car.
It is. It is. We put all the seats down. Yeah. Excuse the bun. It's been a few hours. I've been back from IKEA, and your girl went in and on IKEA. Not too much. I mean, just just one bag. That's not too much, right? And I guess you must have noticed, I got a plant. She was $3.99. I was influenced by my pal. That was it. That was the only plant. I didn't buy anything. Actually, no, that's a lie. I did buy some stuff for my plant. So I bought towels, screws. I bought 2 little jars. I didn't need them. Well, actually, no. I was thinking about buying mason jars, but like I didn't want too many. This seemed like the right size. I have been wanting to do more home cooking projects, like making things from scratch. I think I'm in my cooking era where I just want to like learn to make things, like things, because I'm not a big cook. It's mostly comes from me not wanting to like make a mess. But I wanted to try and make chiles en vinagre, so like pickled chiles with carrots. I saw this one girl on TikTok who's like really popular do it, so I'm like, I can do it too. So I bought some jars. With that said, I bought a little sour, like a bread roll. Let me see if I can get it out of. My friend also said for tortillas, which yes, for tortillas, but it's essentially a little like wooden basket, and then it has like this like thing, and like I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of shows you in the picture somebody using it for like folding bread, ricing dough, and I think tortillas would be fine in here. Next was this. Now what is this? This is a propagation station. I'm just gonna show you like the gist of it. I'll try and put a picture of what it looks like. I just don't want to take it out of the container just yet. I bought more glassware. My friend told me to get the green, but I was just vibing with like the beige more, and not because it's beige, but I think because of the gloss. And they're just like little, it's a set of 2, and it's just, you know, like a little bowl, and then like a little top. Really liked it. They have it in green, but just I think it was just about the finish, and my friend was like, maybe you can do 2 and 2, like mix it and not, you know, change the boxes. But I just kind of, I like the high gloss of this. That was my other purchase. I did not get any furniture or anything like that. My friend also didn't get furniture. Well, she got like a shelving for her office studio that she shares with her boyfriend. Hold on. Okay, I am not about to spook myself out, but my A word in my living room, who I don't use unless I'm doing a jam session, was playing by herself. And she was playing the news. And she wouldn't stop playing the news even when I told her to stop. And she's the only one in my apartment playing the news. We're not going to think about it because we live by ourselves. Anyways, as I was saying, before I was very suddenly interrupted, my friend also didn't buy any furniture at IKEA because she bought it and then they didn't have it, even though they said that they had 8 in stock. I didn't really need anything. Other than the jars was something that was like in my mind, and the screws was also like in the back of my mind, but this was definitely not a very needed expense. That was basically it for my IKEA trip. Usually, if you live in San Francisco, you would go to like the Emeryville IKEA. However, Emeryville IKEA doesn't have everything. So that's how we ended up in Palo Alto. If you're like me and you don't have a car, then you likely would have to rent a car or do what I did and just tag along with a friend who does have a car. So yeah, that's the IKEA experience. Maybe I will go back to the IKEA downtown someday, but I really don't have a reason to go other than to like explore the new food hall. But that can always happen a different day. That was it for today. I'm gonna end the video here. I also, my makeup looked pretty good. I think I'm gonna start doing this because like my skin was looking good this morning. if I do say so myself. Not being, it's just, I don't know, something this morning particularly, like my skin was just like having a good day. Because sometimes I'm like, ooh, but today was like, oh, okay, we're doing good. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.